Hello, Micah. New developments. We are already hearing reports of additional cases, this coming out of Cook County. Now, here in Lake County, at the Lake County Health Department, warnings have been going out all week to the Stevenson High School community in Lincolnshire. Parents across the northern suburbs heeding the advice to stay vigilant.
Lo llevaré al doctor pronto.
Pablo Turcios in Waukegan says he'll rush his child to the doctor if he sees the symptoms.
Pondré más atención.
I'll pay more attention, Turcios says, not just to my children, but my nephews and my family and my surrounding community.
We are trying to identify close contacts of the confirmed cases, and close contacts are defined as those family members, best friends, boyfriends, girlfriends, potentially teammates that might have been around a person that was infected with pertussis.
Lake County's medical epidemiologist Dr. Sana Ahmed describing the effort to contain the local spread of pertussis. 3 confirmed cases reported at Stevenson High School in Lincolnshire.
Is a dry cough that's persistent, and often you might have coughing fits, episodes of coughing fits.
Jim Conry with Stevenson putting out the warning, urging students, faculty, any member of the school community to see a doctor if they start sneezing with a runny nose followed by a persistent cough. Heightening concern here on the Stevenson campus, one of the largest high schools in the state, the timing of it. One of the 3 infected students believed to have attended Stevenson's homecoming celebration, which is an obvious concern because doctors say pertussis is a highly contagious bacteria spread easily by coughing and sneezing. Healthy teens and adults, most of the time able to make a full recovery, but the bacteria a serious matter for others.
It may not be as impactful on, say, teenagers and some adults, but if you're around little children or people who are elderly or have compromised immune systems, it can be a life-threatening illness to them.
For infants and the elderly, pertussis, a dangerous respiratory ailment. Doctors treating the condition with antibiotics, but infants or vulnerable people such as pregnant women or people with compromised immune systems sometimes requiring hospitalization due to the pressure generated by the severe coughing, which in some cases can cause bleeding inside the brain. Now, south of here in Winnetka, we are getting reports of 3 more confirmed cases of whooping cough. Administrators at the School of Saints, Faith, Hope, and Charity alerting parents to be on the lookout. In